For centuries, humans have looked up at the sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? The vastness of space has always left room for speculation about the existence of life beyond Earth. In ancient times, many believed that we were the only intelligent beings in existence, but as our understanding of the cosmos grew, so did our curiosity about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Today, more than ever, scientific advancements have opened new avenues for exploring this age-old question, making the search for extraterrestrial life one of the most intriguing fields in modern science. The discovery of exoplanets, or planets orbiting stars outside of our solar system, has been a game-changer in this quest. Over the past few decades, scientists have identified thousands of exoplanets, some of which lie within the so-called habitable zone, where conditions might allow liquid water to exist, a crucial element for life as we know it. These findings have led to the speculation that life could exist elsewhere in the universe, especially on planets with similar conditions to Earth. One of the most famous frameworks used to estimate the number of civilizations in the galaxy capable of communication is the Drake equation. This equation takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars that have planets, and the number of planets that could support life. According to estimates based on the Drake equation, there could be hundreds or even thousands of technologically advanced civilizations in our Milky Way galaxy alone. The vast number of stars and planets suggests that we might not be alone, and that intelligent life could be thriving elsewhere. In addition to the search for exoplanets, scientists are also studying the potential for life on Mars, which has been a major focus of space exploration. Evidence of ancient water flows on the red planet, along with the discovery of organic molecules, has fueled speculation that Mars may have once hosted life. Robotic missions like NASA's Perseverance rover are currently exploring the Martian surface, gathering data that could help answer the question of whether life ever existed on Mars, or whether it might still be possible in its subterranean environment. While the search for microbial life on Mars and other planets continues, the search for intelligent extraterrestrial life has led to some fascinating and mysterious events. One of the most well-known incidents in UFO lore occurred in 1947, when a mysterious object crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. Initially, the US government claimed that it was a weather balloon, but later, reports suggested that the object was actually a UFO, sparking a wave of speculation about alien encounters. The Roswell incident became a cornerstone of UFO conspiracy theories and popularized the notion that the government might be hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life. In recent years, the US government has been more open about UFO sightings. In 2020, the Pentagon officially released footage captured by military pilots of unidentified flying objects exhibiting extraordinary speed and maneuverability. These objects, described as unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, have been investigated by the US military, but many remain unexplained. The release of these videos has reignited public interest in the possibility that we are not alone in the universe and that advanced civilizations might be visiting us, or at least observing us, from afar. The topic of extraterrestrial life has also gained attention due to the secretive nature of certain government facilities. One of the most famous of these is Area 51, a highly classified US military base located in Nevada. Area 51 has been the subject of numerous conspiracy theories, with many claiming that it is the site of experiments involving alien technology and even the remains of extraterrestrial beings. Bob Lazar, a physicist who worked at the base in the late 1980s, made controversial claims that he had seen UFOs stored there and that the US government was attempting to reverse engineer alien spacecraft. His testimony has been a topic of much debate, and despite his claims being widely disputed, the mystery surrounding Area 51 persists. The possibility of extraterrestrial life is not only a modern phenomenon. Throughout history, many ancient cultures have depicted beings from the sky. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, have left behind numerous depictions of beings that some interpret as extraterrestrial. The Great Pyramids of Giza, with their precise alignment and massive construction, have led some theorists to suggest that their builders had assistance from beings beyond our planet. These claims are often connected to the idea that their technology needed to build such structures could not have been available to ancient civilizations. Some even argue that the pyramids' alignment with celestial bodies is too precise to be the work of human hands alone. Similarly, the Mayans, who were exceptional astronomers, left behind intricate carvings and calendars that some believe are linked to extraterrestrial beings. The Mayan long count calendar, for instance, has been the subject of speculation that it reflects knowledge imparted by otherworldly visitors. Many conspiracy theorists believe that the Mayans had access to advanced technology, possibly provided by aliens, which allowed them to construct their remarkable structures and accurately predict astronomical events. In addition to Egypt and the Mayan civilization, other ancient cultures also have legends that could be interpreted as evidence of extraterrestrial contact. The Sumerians, for example, spoke of the Anunnaki, a race of gods who came from the sky. These beings were said to have taught humanity various skills, such as agriculture and writing. Some researchers believe that the Anunnaki were actually extraterrestrials who visited Earth thousands of years ago and had a profound impact on early human civilization. Another intriguing example is the Nazca lines in Peru, which are massive geoglyphs that can only be fully appreciated from the air. These lines, depicting animals and geometric shapes, have led some to propose that they were created by ancient peoples as a form of communication with extraterrestrials. The sheer size and complexity of these lines, which can only be fully viewed from above, suggest that the Nazca people might have had knowledge of aerial technology, something that could have been imparted by extraterrestrial visitors. Stonehenge, the famous prehistoric monument in England, has also been linked to extraterrestrial theories. The stone circle, which aligns with the solstices and other astronomical events, is thought by some to have been constructed with the help of advanced knowledge or even assistance from extraterrestrial beings. Some believe that the stones were arranged in such a way as to serve as a kind of astronomical observatory, allowing ancient people to track the movements of the stars and planets with remarkable precision. Despite these fascinating theories and the many ancient depictions of extraterrestrial beings, there is no definitive scientific evidence proving that aliens have visited Earth. However, the growing body of evidence for life elsewhere in the universe, combined with ongoing research into UFOs and extraterrestrial phenomena, suggests that we may one day discover that we are not alone. The search for extraterrestrial life continues, fueled by new technologies, space missions, and the undeniable curiosity that drives humanity to look up at the stars and ask, are we truly alone in the universe?